So it's another beautiful morning in Yala, and we are just so impressed with the breakfast here at Lavendra Paradise. So we had we have started on it, big plate of fruit, omelette, chickpea dal, curried carrot, yogurts, pancakes, coconut rotis, bread with jam and butter, and teas. It's such a feast and it is so gorgeous. Just really impressed. Are you?
It's beautiful and the views are stunning up here.
Yeah. Once again, I'm going to pan round and show the view. And right in the distance over there is a waterfall. You probably can't see it from the camera, but there's a waterfall coming down. And it is just absolutely stunning. So we paid, can you remember how much we paid per night?
So yeah, this particular room was £63 for 2 nights, including the breakfast. So very, very good value, £30 odd a night. Good.
Yeah. Yeah, we do highly recommend this. As I said, he's only got 2 apartments. We did through booking.com. If you can go to them direct, it helps them out, because obviously, not knocking booking.com, because we've got all of our accommodation mainly through that, but it helps them out because they pay a commission to booking.com. So Lavendra Paradise in Yala. Coming up in this episode, we take you on a secret safari, one with a difference. Range just had a lovely coconut water, but the monkeys are watching him. So they want his coconut, so he's just going to leave it for them. Because he only wanted the water out of it, and if they can use the rest, then let them use it. Oh, and they're coming down already, look. He's got it, look. He's got it. Well, you don't drop it on your head. He's up there in the tree, enjoying the coconut. He was quick, wasn't he? Right, so we're at the first waterfall, at Secret Waterfall. So it's about 20 minutes as you come out of Yala on the way down to Yala. This is the first one. They said it's not very deep for swimming, and the second one is. So we might try and find the second one so we can have a swim. That's really beautiful surroundings. People up there sitting on the rocks. Really lovely.
Fish nibble your feet. I think they're the fish that you get in the foot spas abroad. It's not very deep in the pool. I'll take you to this edge. Let's see if I can get back up that mini waterfall there without getting bitten by too many fish.
Just before we get to the Kingdom Eco Lodge, we have stopped at this juice bar. And we're having fresh fruit juice, and the pineapples, so all the fruit is stored in the fridge. And they're going to make us a fresh fruit juice. Little family, very cute. But we're sweltering in our shorts and t-shirt, and the baby's got a woolly hat on. And layers and layers of clothes like it's winter. Tetris. Oh no.
Sudah ngeliatin kang ini baiknya kusangin dulu.
Over me heen dan, hè?
Zo, dit is heel opzichtig.
Dit moet allemaal hierin.
You built this?
Yes.
You clever man. You clever man.
You have the chairs, but no railings.
But you
Be careful, okay?
Awesome. Thank you, Dim.
You are welcome.
Beautiful.
Come in.
No, I'm not.
Ah, you're not coming.
No.
See you later.
Yes, good luck.
Thank you.
There was about 16 of us that went out on the safari, but it was a safari with a difference, where we had to leave the jeeps and hide in the bushes, and we had to wait and watch for the elephants. Luckily enough, Dim was a very experienced guide. We wasn't allowed to talk because the elephants have very good hearing, but their eyesight is not as good. This was what they called the elephant graveyard, where an old elephant had come here to naturally lay down and die. Dim has many acres of land here and the elephants just roam free.
But I do eat fish, by the way.
Okay, tomorrow you can eat fish.
Nice.
Tonight chicken.
And I will eat it without chicken as well.
Yes.
We do, no, we, oh do we?
We will give you. They are charging here.
One of the activities included is a farm tour. We were shown the new restaurant that has been built so that all the future guests will be eating at this restaurant. Sadly, in 2023, a month after we'd been there, they had a fire and it burnt down. So I think they're rebuilding the restaurant again. We was taken round the farm and shown all the vegetables, fruit and herbs that they grow naturally on the farm for us to eat and for their workers to eat too. That's interesting, I didn't know. Brilliant. 10 months, right? I only get one banana plant and then I have to cut it down.
I didn't realise there was a big purple flower at the bottom of the banana.
150 grams. The peanut is there. Under the tree.
Never knew peanuts come from...
There you go.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You have problem with the monkeys for the peanuts? The monkeys come?
Yes, a lot of monkeys come in this area.
For the peanuts?
Yes, peanut and everything. We have a lot of coconut plants that grow in this area, but a lot of coconut they eat the elephant. This plant, they like it.
Where'd you take the water from the lake?
Yes, the lake water.
Pump
Yeah.
water from the lake, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, we have the make a curry. It's like a dal, and some people the boil and roast black sugar cane. This is our rice.
Ah, is that your rice store?
Ah, it's a rice store.
Oh. This is we can see. We collect the seed.
Sharp knife.
Yeah.
This time we are going to make a curry.
Yeah.
Curry.
So don't upset him.
You like try today?
Yeah.
Chili. Give it more time. And the red color. You know the red one we don't use the put the curry. This one after the harvesting we keep it the more dry, and then after grinder.
actually blown away with Kingdom Eco Lodge. The experience was wonderful and one we will always treasure. So we've been staying at the Kingdom Eco Lodge for 2 nights, and we went on a walk-in tour today because they pick all their own produce from the farm and make the curries and things like that, but it was really interesting. They did a nighttime safari tonight, and we did the one last night, so we didn't go tonight. But the sky over there is amazing from our treehouse accommodation. Absolutely beautiful, and there's buffalo over there as well, but I did film them when you could see it when it was more lighter. We haven't seen elephants wander through this part yet, but we have been told they do. Anyway, we just had a quick shower, freshen up, and we're going to go over and see what delights are for tonight, because I think they're doing us a barbecue. After leaving Kingdom Eco Lodge, we then made our way to Sri Lanka's coastline and beaches for the next few days. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave us a comment. So thanks for watching Adventures with Angela and Wayne.